Sometimes when we're upset or anxious or worried about something, it's because it's something we feel like we need to control, but when in reality, it's out of our control. Or maybe it's something that we're grasping onto and we're holding onto that we need to let go. Or maybe it's something or someone that we really wish was different, that we want it to be different, not the way it actually is. So if that's something that you struggle with, then this meditation is for you. The theme of this meditation goes along with one of the main principles of mindfulness, which is let go and let be. So let's go ahead and get into the meditation. Go ahead and find a comfortable spot, either to sit or lie down, where you can just be comfortable and it's free from distractions, so that you can really just be aware and be here in the present moment. And now we're going to take 3 conscious, mindful breaths. So take a deep breath in through your nose and then blow it out through your mouth. Again, in through your nose, and this time focus on the air and how it feels going in through your nostrils. And then blow it out through your mouth. And again, feel that air coming out through your mouth. And now the third one. Again, nice big deep breath in through your nose, and this time focus on how your belly rises. And then as you breathe it out, how your belly falls back down. And now just go back to your regular, normal breathing. Just nice, gentle breaths in and out. Now shift your focus to your body. And as you're sitting there, try to get as comfortable as you can. Or as you're lying down, try to get in a position as comfortable as possible. And just notice your full body. Notice how it feels. Notice the points of contact. If it's your bottom in the seat of the chair, or your back against the back of the chair, if it's your feet on the ground, or if you're lying down, it's the soles of your feet on the bed or on the couch, on the floor. Just notice the weight of your body sinking into those points of contact. And now take a moment to focus again on your entire body, from your head to your toes. Just experience your body at this time in this space. Now I'd like you to think right now about something that may be bothering you, something that's worrying you, a particular situation, or maybe it's a person that you've been struggling with, having some issue with. And just take a moment and picture that situation or picture that person in your mind. And whatever it is that's happening that seems to be causing you that worry, that frustration, anxiety, disappointment, whatever the struggles are. Now try not to think of anything that's too deep or too traumatic. We don't have time in this meditation to really go into that. We don't want to trigger anything that's too serious. So try to think of something moderately stressful. And as those feelings about that stressful situation or person come to mind, don't judge those thoughts. Don't judge those feelings. Just allow them to come and sit with them for a minute. As you're imagining that situation or that person, and you're allowing the feelings to come, notice your body and notice if there are any changes occurring in your body. Where are those changes? Where are those feelings? And notice those. Again, without judgment. Those feelings, those sensations, they could be pleasant, they can be unpleasant, or they can be neutral. In this scenario, it's possible that they're unpleasant, and that's okay. We're just going to notice them. We're just going to allow them to be. Now I'd like you to imagine that this situation or this person is like the ocean. Imagine yourself standing on the beach, standing on the shoreline, and you can see and hear the waves crashing. Imagine yourself starting to wade into the surf. You can feel the water swirling around your ankles. You feel the tide starting to tug and to pull as you wade in deeper. The ocean water is cold. It's starting to chill your body. You continue to wade in deeper. The water is moving farther up your body. So you get to the point where the water is chest high. You can still stand, but you look out and you see a wave coming. It's a big wave. You have a decision to make. So when this wave comes, you turn and you face it. You're like, I'm going to face this wave head on. It smacks you in the face and it knocks you off your feet, and you find yourself being tumbled around in the water. Your body feels like a rag doll being sloshed around and swirled around in a washing machine. Now you're able to find your footing again. You're able to get up and you stand up. You see another wave coming. This time you turn around and you think, this time I'll put my back toward the wave. And here it comes, boom. And the big wave hits you hard again. You feel the weight of the wave push you over. Again, you lose your footing. you find yourself being tossed around in the wave, all different directions again. Again, you're able to find your footing and you stand up. But this time, you try something different. You say, you know what, this time, I'm gonna duck under the wave. So as you see the next big wave coming, you hold your breath, you bend your knees, and you duck under the surface of the water. As you duck under, you gently feel the wave flow over you, pass over you. And you stand up and you're feeling fine. Notice the difference. When you tried to fight the wave, face it head on, or even turn your back to it, you tried to fight it, you ended up being knocked over and tossed around. But when you simply decided to duck under the wave and let the wave smoothly and gently flow over you, you were peaceful under the wave. You were safe under the wave, and you were just fine. That is something that you can remember. When you're facing this situation or you're facing this person who's causing you to feel angst, to feel tension, stress, discomfort, and you're fighting it. You want it to be different. You want things to change. You feel like you should be able to control it, or they should change. Sometimes it helps. We find our peace when we're able to just let it go. To just duck under and let it roll over us like a wave. So this is an idea or an image that you can use when you find yourself striving, you find yourself struggling, you're grasping, trying to control things and people and situations that are in reality out of your control. That sometimes we just need to let go and let be. Just accept situations and accept people for who they are. And I know it's easier said than done. This is not necessarily something that you're going to be able to do overnight, but it's something that you can practice. When you start to feel that frustration, you start to feel that anxiety, that stress, think about the wave and just ducking under, letting it flow over you. You can think of opening your hands, opening your palms, releasing the grasp, letting the situation go, and trusting that it will be okay, that you will be okay. Just notice breathing in, breathing out, the rise and fall of your belly and chest as the air naturally goes in and goes out, goes in and out. Thanks for joining me in this meditation today. I hope it was helpful. This is Dr. Lori saying, take good care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.